Welcome to this quick tutorial where you will learn exactly how to connect the Investor Hardware Wallet to the Portfolio app. Before we begin, please make sure that you have installed and set up the latest version of the Portfolio app. Also, please note that the Investor Hardware Wallet is sometimes referred to as Investor Card. In order to start, open the Portfolio app and tap on Connect in the navigation bar on the bottom. Then, tap on Import Investor Card. After that, you are able to scan your Investor Hardware Wallet. Once you tapped on Scan Card, you will be guided through the process of connecting your hardware wallet to the Portfolio app. You will only need your primary card to complete this process. Finally, rename your card if you want to and tap Import Card Address. Now, you will need to scan your card one last time. After that, you're all set.